Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. In class, you learned how to count from 1 to 3 in Hindi. Today, we're going to practice counting 4, 5, and 6. Let's practice how to say each of these in Hindi. 4 is Chaar, 5 is Paanch, and 6 is Chay. Let's do that again. 4 is Chaar, 5 is Paanch, and 6 is Chay. One more time. 4 is Chaar, 5 is Paanch, and 6 is Chay. There are 4 tigers. Tiger in Hindi is Bagh. And did you know the tiger is the national animal of India? And how do we say 4 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chaar. There are 4 Diwali diyas. How do we say 4 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chaar. There are 4 unicorns. Let's count them in Hindi. Ek, do, teen, chaar. And what is chaar? Chaar is 4. There are 4 dresses. And how do we say 4 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chaar. Now we're going to count princesses. Ek, do, teen, chaar. There are 4 princesses. And what is 4 in English? 4 is 4. And what was 4 again in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chaar. Let's practice counting to 4 again. We start with 1. Ek, do, teen, chaar. Ek, do, teen, chaar. There are 5 cupcakes. And what is 5 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? 5 is Paanch. So remember, we just practiced 4. 4 is Chaar, and 5 is Paanch. There are 5 Ganeshas. And what is 5 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Paanch. There are 5 fairies. And what is 5 in Hindi? Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? 5 is Paanch. There are hot air balloons now, and we're going to count them, starting from 1 in Hindi. Ek, do, teen, chaar, Paanch. There are 5 hot air balloons. And what is 5 in English? 5 is 5. And what was 5 again in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Paanch. Now let's count fish. Ek, do, teen, chaar, Paanch. There are 5 fish. And how do we say 5 in English? What is it in English? 5. 5. Let's count again. Ek, do, teen, chaar, Paanch. Let's do it again. Ek, do, teen, chaar, Paanch. Let's see now. Now let's practice 6 in Hindi. 6 is Chay. And there are 6 elves here, 6 Christmas elves. So how do we say 6 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chay. There are 6 dresses. How do we say 6 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chay. There are 6 narwhals. And how do we say 6 in Hindi? Is it Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chay. And what was 6 again in Hindi? Chaar, Paanch, or Chay? Chay. Now let's count unicorns, and we're going to count from 1 starting in Hindi. Ek, do, teen, चार, पांच, Chay. There are Chay unicorns. And what is Chay in English? Chay is 6. Let's count together up to 6 in Hindi. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छः. Very good. Let's count to 6 again. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छः. Excellent work. Let's do it again. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छः. Very good. One more time. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छः. And let's review these 3 numbers that we learned one last time. 4 is Chaar. 5 is Paanch. And 6 is Chay. Excellent work! Now you know how to count more in Hindi. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.